Are you grappling with managing your debt? It's a common struggle, but the good news is that there are clear, manageable steps you can take to overcome it. Firstly, it's essential to understand the different types of debt. There's good debt, which is used to finance assets that have the potential to increase in value or generate income, like a mortgage or student loan. And then there's bad debt, the kind that's incurred for non-essential items or consumables, often carrying high interest rates like credit card debt. Next, calculate your total debt. This includes all outstanding balances on loans, credit cards, mortgages, and any other money owed. Now, once you have a clear picture of your debt, it's time to create a budget. This is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses and is crucial for managing debt and achieving financial goals. When it comes to prioritizing debt payments, there are a couple of strategies to consider. Focusing on high-interest debt first can minimize interest costs, and the snowball method, where you start with the smallest debt and work your way up, can provide a sense of accomplishment that motivates you to keep going. Sometimes it's possible to negotiate lower interest rates or extended repayment terms with your creditors. Don't be afraid to reach out and discuss your options. Consolidation and refinancing can also be beneficial. This involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, which can make payments more manageable. Building an emergency fund provides a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, reducing the need to rely on credit. This, coupled with cutting unnecessary expenses and increasing your income through part-time jobs or freelancing, can significantly accelerate your debt payoff. Avoiding future debt is also critical. By creating a budget and financial plan and using credit wisely, you can prevent accumulating new debt. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors or counselors can provide personalized strategies and guidance. And remember, staying motivated and persistent is key. Set milestones, celebrate small victories, and visualize the benefits of being debt-free to stay motivated. Remember, effective debt management and payoff strategies are crucial for achieving financial freedom and building long-term wealth. It may take time, but every step towards debt reduction is a step towards greater financial stability and independence. Start now, and before long you'll be on your way to a debt-free life.